Hey guys, welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam, and today I'm gonna show you a PR package from a brand called aokitec. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it right or not, so if I'm wrong, do let me know in comment section. They send me their amazing polygel kit. They pack this really well. So first we got this brush set. These are really high quality brushes. And the packaging is so good. I love the packaging. It's in really amazing pastel colors and it looks so pretty. So first we got this instruction. Then we got their business card. You can scan this. Then we got this mini UV LED lamp. They literally sent everything you need while doing polygel nails. Then we got this filer, top coat, base coat, and we got this 2-in-1 brush and spatula, slip solution, and 7 amazing shades of polygel. And last we got this dual foams. They literally sent everything you will need while doing polygel nails. I will post these swatches on my community tab or on shorts. And I will post the nail art tutorials with this polygel soon on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.